So first of all, I have my laptop, right? My laptop is like this. So supposing, um, like for example, in real time environment, what happens is there will be so many machines, laptops will be there, right? Each will have its own configuration, each will have its own software, right? Now, I want to run my project. So on my machine, I try the project, it works perfectly fine. It works fine. Now, some other person, he tries on his machine, it perfectly works. And then the next person tries and he finds that the same project is not working. Okay?
Okay.
It is not working on his machine. He will come back, he's a tester. So development team will be the testing team. So this person, he will come back to me. Oh, he will say that no, this project does not work on my system. Please check it. But I will say it is working on my system. See, this is how it is working. Perfectly fine. Yes. And he will take me to his system. See, it is not working. Oh, there is something wrong here. Oh, what could be the wrong thing, same project, everything is the same. Software, everything. But some configurations could be different on his system. My configuration, this configuration is same, but with his system, some configurations are slightly different. That is the reason things are not working here. How can we avoid such things? Right? We actually don't want to waste time here, right? How can we avoid? Instead of doing like this, we will set up a virtual machine. So, you know, these online classes, right? These are not actual classes, these are virtual classes.
Yes.
Hmm? So, virtual machine is like it will look like a machine within my machine. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is my laptop. Within my laptop, I will set up, I will install a software. By installing this software, I am able to perform few of the operations without configuring, without actually having actual software inside this. But it will use my softwares which are on my system. It will use, it will work with the things. Okay.
Yeah.
So by this, I can save lot of memory. Memory also gets saved, and and it will, if everybody has the same VM, then no difference. See, it is working on all the VMs, and definitely no harm in each one testing, each one complaining that things are not working. And this VM, we call it as a Docker. This is what we call it as
Docker. Virtual.
Docker, no, virtual machine. Okay, so this is what is Docker. And so now I have installed a Docker. So it will look like a dolphin symbol. Where is it? Okay, maybe, okay. So Docker will be there, some dolphin symbol. I will show you. Hmm. These are the installation steps. Docker, let me show you. This, see, their logo itself, if I have to show you. See, this is the Docker. Okay, this has a big meaning. I will tell you. Observe this. There is a ship. There are certain packages available, right?
Hmm.
So I will explain that. I mean, actually, it is doing that work. Okay. So now, what has happened? This Docker has got installed. Okay. So when I am working with projects and when I'm using the Docker, I have to make some containers. Containers are these packages. Okay. So these are my, this Docker is like a ship, and those whatever decked packages, these are called containers. Okay. So what each of these container will contain? That's the question. So each container will contain all the software, all the software all the installation, all the links, all the code, whatever is required to run that particular thing, each of them will be packaged like a zip file. And if I just give the zip file to the tester, he will test it, he will say, yes, it is working. He does not have to do again software installation. Again, he does not have to set them variables, environment variables. He does not have to do it. I will give this package. He will test whether it is working or not. Only output is important. He does not do any configurations. Things will be packaged and handed over to him. So basically, Docker is nothing but it will have a setup of all the things in one particular place called as container. We just use a container and we just run the thing.